clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it. She make it clap.
Guys, so I kind of wanted to put some context for the video. So basically, what was happening in this video was kind of just spend a couple days with me type of video. So that's the type of video that I was basically doing for this, you know, just spend a few days with me. So I went over my grandparents' house videos, which will probably be like, I don't know what it's gonna be because I'm not editing right now, but you guys will already know what it's gonna be, so it'll probably be in the video. So you guys are probably gonna see this. I'll just speed up and speed. So I just want to say thank you for all the support in my recent videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe like I've been saying throughout the video. And yeah, so currently I'm cleaning up my room. I think it looks pretty clean in my perspective, and so yeah, that's what I'm doing. And the reason I have my phone is because I have this little thing, and I'm probably gonna import some behind the scenes now, behind the scenes clips. So let's get right into the behind the scenes clips. Don't you leave me, baby.